I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted photos on Snapchat. Now, all deleted photos on Snapchat go to a section called Memories. Now, to get there, you have to go to your account here, and then you want to tap on the gear icon. Now, once you tap on the gear icon in the upper right, you want to get on over to a section called Memories. Now, once you head on a section called Memories there, you want to go ahead and pick on the photo you want to save or you want to recover. Now, once you have recovered the photo, tap on Export Snap. Now, once you export Snap, you can see you can export it to either a camera roll or other apps. Pick on whichever one you want. Now, this is the easy way to do this, considering that if you deleted Snap, have gone into Memories instead, right? But if you have deleted your photos from Memories in itself, then the process of recovering it is typically really difficult and most of the time impossible, right? Because Snapchat already deletes all of the things you delete on Memories as well for privacy stakes. Now, if it's really that important, if the snap you're deleting is really that important and you want to recover it really, really badly, then you can contact Snapchat support to hopefully help you out. Maybe sometimes their photos has not been deleted from their database yet and it could help you recover your photo, but there will be no promises, but this is your best shot. Contact Snapchat support.